There you go. Get centered. Good job. Good job. You're not going to go down the hall?
Okay. He's gonna lose it. Good job, buddy! Right into the wall.
Whoa! Good job. Good job, mister.
That's a heck of a start on the whole balance thing there, son. All right. Yeah.
You're up against the wall, though, so.
Reverse is tricky.
Oh, camera. There you go. Good job! Are you a big boy? You don't want to walk because I got the camera. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.